Welcome back, everybody. In this video, our focus is going to be lesson number 41. And in lesson number 41, we are playing the same notes we were playing in lesson number 40. We are playing them a little bit differently, but they are the same notes. Our fingers are going to be, our left hand is going to be playing in the same sort of spot, same position, all that stuff. So, just very quickly, let's review the things I talked about in lesson 40. In lesson 41, we have a time signature of 3/4, the top number being a 3, so we're going to count to 3. Every measure has 3 counts. The bottom voice has dotted half notes. Dotted half notes have a rhythmic value of 3 counts. So when you play those dotted half notes in the bass, 2, 3, make sure they ring. 2, 3, for all 3 counts. 3. Don't lift them off until you finished the counts. In the top voice, we start with a quarter rest, and if you remember, a rest means silence. So in this case, a quarter rest is going to be 1 count of silence, just like a quarter note is 1 count of whatever note that it happens to be. After that quarter rest, we have the 2 notes that we were playing in lesson 40 being played together. So we have the E being played with our index finger, and then the G being played with our middle finger at the same time, like this, boom. And we do it twice. That's the second count, and then you play it again, and then that would be the third count. So that first measure would sound something like this. 1, 2, 3. And while you're playing these 2 notes twice, your bass note is still ringing because you're finishing those 3 counts. And then you continue on from there. Notice the I and the M are stacked. That's just the way they write down the fingering so that you're playing them at the same time. Other than that, there's not much else for me to explain, but what I would like to do is play this a number of times. So first, let's go ahead and play it as written, very slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In other words, thumb, fingers, fingers, thumb, fingers, fingers. That's kind of what I'm trying to explain to you. So let's go ahead and play this first, as written. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, stop. Fairly simple. What I would like us to do now is I would like us to add some staccato. And we're going to play the notes that we're playing together with our index and middle finger. We're going to play both of those pairs of notes staccato. So we're going to play now this instead. I'm sorry. You hear that? It's going to add some character to what you're playing. And then the next measure would be the same thing. Okay, let's just do that in time. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. We're going to do this one last time. This time, we're only going to play the first pair of notes staccato and the second pair of notes as written. So you're not going to shorten them. So this one, with this time around, it would sound like this. The second time you play the notes, let them ring. All right, and this is going to add, yet again, character, but a slightly different character than the time we just played. So we're just practicing staccato, giving you an opportunity to remind yourselves what staccato is and how to and practicing just executing it properly, which is going to help you gain more mastery of your fingers. Basically, I'm just trying to get you to play differently so that you're practicing all the things I've given you. If you want to give yourself some variety, all of the things that we've talked about, you can apply to these lessons. I just don't have, it's just not feasible for me to do it 10 times 10 different ways with all of the dynamics and the different color and stuff. So I'll from time to time give you an opportunity to do this together with me. I'll just pick one at random. This one is excellent for the staccato. So last time through, staccato for the first pair. The second pair of notes, just let them ring on my count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. And there you go. I will see all of you in lesson number 42.